Hey guys, it's Alex. Buenas tardes, soy Alex, and in this tutorial we're gonna get this face using our new Face Tape foundation, which is my new holy grail foundation. I never thought I'd say that because I love our Amazon Clay foundation so much, but right now my skin is living for this hydration and this matte finish. I mean, it's just gorgeous. But we're also gonna use our Remix Natural palette, which is under $25, so you guys have to steal that from Tarte.com right now. If you guys like this look, then keep on watching. If you guys wanna create this look, then keep on watching. So, yeah. Si te gusta este look, sigue mirando. Before I apply our Base Tape Hydrating Primer, I'm going to first use our Rainforest The Sea Marine Boosting Mist right here. So I like to use this before my makeup or before my primer because it is a skin mist and it actually has orange peel oil in it, which will help produce the collagen in my face, make it very plump and refreshed. And then it also has caffeine, so it's gonna help with the microcirculation of the cells, take away the dead cells, reduce the redness, reduce the puffiness, give myself the plumpness that I want. So just a couple of sprays, let it dry, enjoy it. And now we're gonna move on to our Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Our Base Tape Hydrating Primer is actually like a skin win for me. This helps keep my skin super hydrated for 12 hours underneath my makeup. So it really helps when I take it off. My skin still feels super fresh, youthful, which is what I'm looking for. And it also helps long wear the makeup, so it won't look like I've had it on for all day. Did I mention that it smells like a pina colada and I feel like I'm on spring break? Oh, those are the days. Now for the main event, we're gonna use our new Face Tape foundation. I'm in the shade 34S. I like to place one pump right on my hand, and then I just take our shaper sponge and dab into there and then dab it onto my face. You can really see real quick the before and after. I do have a lot of redness from the sun. Living in the Keys, you're exposed to sun a lot, even though I do wear a lot of SPF, it still gets to me. So my friend recently was over and she tried it before we went golfing actually. She was putting some of my shade on and she was like, great, I've fallen in love with this foundation. Like I have foundation that I like, but she's like, it just feels very light. And throughout the entire round of golf, she was like, it didn't sweat off, and we were sweating our asses off, but she's like, it didn't sweat off, didn't move. I didn't even know she had it on. It just looked pretty flawless. I'm like, that's our Face Tape foundation. And she was like, I am literally running to the store right now to go get some. She's like, it's crazy because you've talked about it to me before, but I didn't believe you because you said it's lightweight, full coverage, hydrating, brightens your face. She just like didn't know what to think from that. She's like, but now that I've literally just felt it, she was like, it's all of those things and more. It makes your skin super flawless, very even toned, covers all of the rosacea, which she had, redness, and I mean, it works very well with our Shape Tape Concealer, which is what I'm gonna use next, because it was made for that. It's the perfect pair. So I'm going with our Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Just a couple dots. This is the shade Light Medium, because I really like to lighten my face since I can bronze it up with bronzer. Going back in with the Parka Princess Bronzer Bar, just gonna take the shade Angle right here and apply that to my cheekbones. Now for some customizable blush, I'm gonna go with our Tarte Pro Glow and Blush palette because it's got all these great blushes, and then this Pop and Highlight. Tap into these two shades right here. Then Smile, Check, and Blend. for highlight, grabbing this shade right here. Just gonna tap it. Tap, tap, tap it on. For our eyes, I'm gonna use our Remix Natural palette, which is under $25. So this is the palette. You get all of these gorgeous shades, which, okay, so I really love because these are like one swipers and done. This is the perfect to-go palette whenever you're feeling bold or just any of these shades, because it's literally one swipe, put it on your lid, you're done. One swipe, you guys can see, put it on your lid, done. Like, wow, two terrible swatches, but you guys get the picture. Today I'm gonna use these 3 shades right over here. So this is gonna be my outer V, my lid, and then my inner corner. Taking the shade Happening and putting that on my outer V. Now I've got the shade You Can. I'm gonna apply that to my inner corner and my lid. I've got This Is It and taking that to my inner corner. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I used my go-to mascara, our Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara, because this is what the after effect looks like. It volumizes, conditions, lengthens, and curls your lashes. And for someone that has very, very light eyelashes naturally to begin with, this jet black mascara does the trick. This is Sugar Rush's new Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil, and this is the shade Fresh Pressed, which is really, really nice for like casual daytime looks. Excuse me. When you're not wearing any makeup, it looks really good. When you are wearing makeup, it looks really good. So it smells so good. It smells like my childhood. If you guys know what that smells like, it smells like your childhood probably too. Let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna apply this real quick. Goes on super effortlessly. It's like super shiny. I'm living for this lip oil. So here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick get ready with me tutorial featuring our new Face Tape foundation, which is my favorite holy grail foundation. Love it. And my favorite new lip product. So let me go in the comments down below what you want to see next. If you guys want us to use a specific palette, we can totally do that, one that maybe you have. Let us know down below. I will be answering your questions. And until next time, hasta la próxima vez. Ciao, tartelettes. Oh, also, let me know if you guys want to see like more Spanish vlogs, full-on Spanish or Spanglish. Up to you guys. So, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.